YouTube, I want y'all to check something out, man. So I just finished this piece. I put it up on Instagram and Facebook Live, y'all. The top and the bottom was looking just like the top. Just that Fred the Jeweler polish. Ooh, look at that. Then I added the diamond dust on the bottom. So I wanted to know if y'all like that, or you like the polished or the diamond dust better. Also, I'm about to add the diamond dust and finish it off. Then we're going to be putting trillion cuts on top of that. That's sterling silver polished with the diamond dust trillion cuts. So right now I'm giving back because it's been so crazy through these holidays. We are slammed and slam packed. I'm giving this whole set for $400 right now, y'all. Sterling silver. You can see my silver looks just as good as my gold. Just had to go. I think Tony took it. The silver looks just as good as the gold. Look at that, y'all. That's the diamond dust right here. Inbox me if you were, or send me a reply, or call us 206-250-0833. You want to get on with that, y'all. I'm trying to make my videos for the YouTubes a little bit longer because I know YouTube runs a little bit longer. Got the diamond dust joint, Louis V. I'm about to do a Gucci one, y'all. Got a Gucci one up and coming. Anywhere around the country, you can get a grill. We ship the mold kits. Take 2 to 3 business days. Sorry, y'all got my tools all over the place from my bench. Lemonade joints. See my hands, it's workers' hands, man. Been working, y'all, today. Gotta go wash my hands and get up out of here. Flooded joints any day of the week, y'all. Inbox me if you want to get one, man. We'll make it happen. Seattle Go Grills is the website, seattlegogrills.com. Follow me on there, y'all. Get you something. We can make you anything from scratch. Bubble letters, pendants, chains, you name it. Bust downs, all type. Louis V's. 2 days for the molds to get there, 2 days to get back. Takes 10 to 30 business days to make the grills, y'all. Look forward to working with you guys. Tap in. Peace out.